All right, misplaced modifiers. A misplaced modifier is a phrase or clause that is intended to modify a certain word in a sentence, but is in the wrong place. As a result, it's connecting wrong ideas to each other and it confuses the reader. So modify means describe. So it's describing the wrong word. Okay, let's look at the first example. We sat and talked about camping in the kitchen. Okay, this sounds like you were doing the camping in the kitchen. So that's why it's misplaced. The next example, I served breakfast to my family, which I made myself. This sounds like you were making your family yourself, or you made your family yourself. Okay, so how do we fix this? So to fix misplaced modifier, you have to move it as close as possible to what it should modify. Now look at this one. The first example, we inserted it right closer to what is happening. So in the kitchen, we sat in the kitchen and talked about camping. And then this one, I served my family breakfast, which I made myself. So look at this, which I made myself is the breakfast. Okay, now let's look at the next slide. This is the one that we need to correct today. Correct the misplaced modifier. So I will help you with number one. I baked blueberry muffins and scrambled some eggs in the oven. Okay, you cannot scramble eggs in the oven. Okay, so you have to insert it. So you have to insert it over here. I baked blueberry muffins in the oven and scrambled some eggs. All right, good luck to the other questions. Thank you.